Welcome in this section of our course. In this new part of our course, I'll talk about Python strings in details. Let's start. What's a string in Python? Strings are among us the most popular types in Python. We can create them simply by enclosing characters in quotes. Python treats single quotes the same as double quotes. Remember, single quotes the same as double quotes. Creating string is simple as assigning a value to a variable. Let's see an example. Here, get a pen. I type var1, this is our variable name, equal to hello world, and this is var2, our variable name, equal to Python programming. This is single quote here, and this is double quote. Remember, Python treats single quote the same as double quotes. Okay? Accessing values in a string. Python does not support a character type. These are treated as a string of length 1. This is also considered as a substring. Remember, to access substrings, use the square brackets for slicing along with the index or indices to obtain your substring. Remember, index in Python starts from 0, not only in a string but in everything. Let's see an example. Here I said x equal to Ahmad and I said y equal to Kariman. If I said here print x of 0, this will get us a, this letter here, with index 0, this is index 1, index 2, index 3, and this is index 4. Okay, and if I type print y of 1, this is index 0, and this index 1, this will get us a. If I said print y 0 to 6, this will get us from index 0 here to index 6 here, and this is parenthesis Karima. And if I said print y from 0, this is here to the end of the string, this will type the full name. Let's try this in our Python shell. Here, if I said x equal to Mahmoud, if I said print x of 0, this will give us the first index, the M letter. And if I said print x of 4, this will give us O letter, this O letter here. And if I said here print x of 4 to the end of the string, if I did not specify this here, this will get the end of the string. This will type OUD, this is here. And if I type print x, this will give us the full string Mahmoud. And if I type print here x of 5, this will start from the first to the fifth index. It will give us Mahmoud. Okay, there is some operators which we can apply in our string, like concatenation. If I use plus in strings, this will concatenate our string, and if I use asterisk, this will repeat this string. And slicing, here we see the slicing before. Let's see an example. If I said here x equal to hello and y equal to world, if I said x plus y, this will give us hello world. Okay, and if I said x asterisk 2, this will give us hello hello. Let's try this in our Python shell here. I said x equal to Mahmoud here, let's say y equal to Ahmad. I said x plus y, I'll see Mahmoud Ahmad. And if I type here x asterisk 2, this will give us Mahmoud Mahmoud. Repetition. Okay, as the next video, I'll talk about string formatting in Python and raw string in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.